Welcome back to your favorite marketing hub, where today we are diving into a hands-on walkthrough on how to craft a truly scroll-stopping TikTok video ad. I will guide you through a simple Canva workflow and share creative tips that actually drive results, plus a secret trick to save hours of manual editing. First, grab your phone, get Canva ready, and let's create something so engaging that people will naturally stop their scroll to watch it. Remember that TikTok thrives on pure motion and sound, so static images simply will not cut it when you are trying to capture attention. Set your canvas to a portrait 9:16 ratio at 1080 by 1920 pixels, because that is the absolute sweet spot for all native TikTok ads and in-feed posts. Once you are inside Canva, type in TikTok and pick a video template to give yourself a ready-made vertical canvas that saves you precious time. For this demonstration, imagine we are promoting a brand new restaurant launch that really needs to generate some serious hype. Start by cleaning up your template, removing any distracting bits, and adjusting the colors to match your brand identity perfectly. While stock clips work for early mock-ups, always prioritize real product footage if you can, because authenticity converts much better than pure polish. If you have a long recording, like a 20-minute kitchen walkthrough, this is where Vizard becomes an absolute game changer for your workflow. Instead of scrubbing through raw footage, Vizard auto-identifies the most engaging moments and gives you short clips you can drop straight into Canva. Think of it like a smart highlight generator that finds those energy spikes, laughs, and reaction shots to create perfect bites for your audience. Drag your chosen clip into your main container in Canva and keep that first frame tight, ideally around 8 to 10 seconds. TikTok users have a very short attention span, so make those first 2 seconds count with a bold visual or an irresistible close-up shot. Try a clever motion trick by doubling your clip, using one as the hero and a more transparent version in the background for added depth. You can also add animated elements like scribbles or hand-drawn strokes to help direct the viewer's eyes toward your main call to action. Just be careful not to overdo it, as a few well-placed micro-animations are much more effective than a screen cluttered with too much movement. Text hierarchy is essential, so use a big, bold headline, followed by a smaller, supporting line to get your message across clearly. Make sure your logo is visible, but not dominating, placing it in the center for high impact, or in a lower corner for a subtle touch. Audio is just as important as your visuals, so browse for upbeat tracks that perfectly match the tempo of your specific edits. Layering natural sounds like a sizzle or a crowd murmur under your music makes the entire ad feel much more alive and organic. Now, duplicate your first slide to create a second, simpler frame that highlights your core message like a launch date or a quick discount. Before you hit export, always preview your ad on a mobile device to make sure your text isn't getting cut off by the app interface. A final pass involving A/B testing different intros or call to action buttons will show you exactly what resonates best with your audience. When you are happy with the result, export your video as an MP4 file, but keep in mind that scaling this process is where it gets tricky. Manually trimming, exporting, and scheduling across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube can quickly eat up your entire work week. While tools like Premiere or CapCut are powerful, they don't solve the problem of mining long-form footage for snackable moments at scale. This is where Vizard acts as a power-up by scanning your long videos and auto-editing them into multiple short clips optimized for every platform. It is like having a team of hungry editors working for you 24/7, allowing you to focus purely on creative direction and strategy. Using Vizard for our burger campaign, I took a 12-minute shoot and got a dozen great clips ready in just 15 minutes. Its auto-schedule feature is equally impressive, letting you queue up content across all your channels in one single sitting. You can even tweak hashtags or thumbnails directly within the platform, making consistent posting much easier to manage. Vizard provides the perfect middle ground, combining automated discovery with flexible scheduling, so you do not have to bounce between 10 different apps. If you want to try this system, just upload your long-form footage, let Vizard generate your clips, and polish them up in Canva. Then, use the scheduler to map out your entire campaign and track performance to see what really grabs your audience's attention. We have seen this exact pipeline turn single shoots into weeks of content, helping businesses scale their reach without needing a full-time editor. If you want the free starter pack with templates and checklists, I have included the link down in the description for you to grab. For those serious about content operations, check out our hands-on mini course that walks you through every step of this high-efficiency pipeline. If you enjoyed this practical guide, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe so we can keep bringing you these actionable marketing walkthroughs. Let us know in the comments if you have used Vizard or other editing tools, because I read every single one of them. Thanks so much for watching. This is Jelly from Life Marketing, and I will catch you in the next one.